while Havildar Purna Chakma stood guard at the freezing borders of Tripura, protecting the nation. His son was bleeding out in Dehradun.
The winter air in Dehradun's Selakwi area felt ordinary that evening. Cold, routine, unremarkable. December 9th, 24-year-old Angel Chakma stepped out with his younger brother Michael. Not for trouble, not for protest, just groceries. Just a simple errand. Angel was a final year student from Tripura, an MBA, just months away from finishing his degree. Just months away from a future. But sometimes, the future doesn't arrive. Without warning, 6 men surrounded them, not with questions, but with hate. Racial slurs, mockery of their faces, their language, their identity. Imagine standing in your own country and being punished for simply existing. When Michael tried to object, just once, a heavy metal kada came crashing down on his head. Shock, fear, blood.
थाना सालाकुई के अंतर्गत एक मामला हुआ था और उसमें जो है ये त्रिपुरा के 2 छात्र थे, एक एंजल चकमा और एक उनका भाई था माइकल चकमा। ये दोनों थाना प्रेमनगर में नंदा की चौकी के आसपास रहते थे और वहीं जो है ये एंजल चकमा जो है वो दिग्जा विश्वविद्यालय में पढ़ते थे और माइकल चकमा जो है वो तुलास इंस्टीट्यूट में पढ़ाई कर रहे थे। ये 9 तारीख के शाम की घटना थी जब ये सालाकुई में गए हुए थे किसी काम से, तो इसी दौरान इनकी कुछ जो स्थानीय युवक थे और बाकी एक नॉर्थ ईस्ट के ही एक और युवक थे, तो उनके साथ इनकी किसी बात को लेकर झड़प हो गई थी। इनके बीच आपस में मारपीट हुई, जिसमें कि बताया गया कि 1-2 चाकू से वार किए गए, किसी कड़े से भी इनके ऊपर वार किए गए, जिससे कि ये गंभीर रूप से घायल हो गए। इनके भाई के द्वारा इनको अस्पताल पहुंचाया गया।
Angel didn't pause. He didn't think. He stepped forward, like any brother would. And in that moment of protection, the unthinkable happened. Angel was stabbed, in the neck, in the back. The blade tore through his body and shattered his spinal cord. As he lay on the ground, broken and bleeding, Angel didn't scream in anger. He asked a question that now echoes across the nation. We are Indians. What certificate do you want from us? He was rushed to the hospital. Surgeons worked on his spine, on his neck. For a brief moment, there was hope. Angel was conscious. He could speak. Then his oxygen levels dropped. For nearly 2 weeks, he fought. And on December 26th, Angel Chakma died. Internal brain bleeding. A young life erased. What followed was grief. A father, a BSF Jawan who protects this nation at its borders, had to carry his son's body home to West Tripura for the final rites.
We are not a Chinky. We are not Japanese and we are not China.
I know.
We are Indian. Not Chinky, man. We are not Chinky, man.
Bro, it's alright, it's alright.
We are not Chinky.
I know.
I am so Nepali and I am Gorkha. But
The case was first called an assault, a misunderstanding, a verbal spat. But death does not misunderstand. The charge was upgraded to murder. 5 suspects were arrested, 2 sent to a juvenile home, and the main accused still free. A reward announced, a family waiting. This was not a fight. This was not confusion. This was hate. A student wanted a degree. Instead, he became a symbol. A reminder that even today, in this country, a young Indian can be killed for the color of his skin or the sound of his voice. Angel Chakma didn't ask for much, just one thing: to be recognized as a citizen in his own country. Think about the irony of it all. When threats loom from across the border, from China, from Bangladesh, the people of the Northeast don't just stand behind India, they stand in front of it. They have been our shield. They have roared their loyalty to the world, claiming this flag as their own with a ferocity that puts the rest of us to shame. But love is supposed to be a two-way street. And in the 21st century, collective India failed to hold up its end of the bargain. We fail to recognize our own blood. There is a unique kind of pain in racism. When a stranger insults you abroad, it is anger. But when your own countrymen, your own neighbors treat you like an outsider, that is not anger, that is heartbreak. It is the devastation of being made to feel like an orphan in your own mother's house. Racism within our borders is a poison more deadly than any external threat. It judges a man not by his heart, but by the shape of his eyes or the tone of his skin. Angel Chakma died asking for a certificate of belonging. But the truth is, we are the ones who failed the test. The nation demands justice for Angel, yes, but more than that, we beg for a conscience. Because until we learn to embrace every brother and sister from the mountains as our own, we have no right to call ourselves a family.